Fine-tuning formal writing. Mastering organization and structure. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of formal writing: organizing and structuring content. The way you arrange your ideas can make the difference between clear, powerful prose and a confusing jumble of words. So, let's break it down. Organizing your content in formal writing is paramount. It's not just about having great ideas. It's about presenting them in a way that's easy to understand and follow. Well-organized writing guides your reader through your points logically and seamlessly, creating a cohesive argument or narrative. Every piece of formal writing, whether it's a report, essay, or letter, generally follows a similar structure. 1. Introduction. This is where you introduce your topic and give a brief overview of what you will discuss or argue. 2. Body. This is where you explore your main points in depth. Each point should be in a separate paragraph or section, with supporting evidence or details. 3. Conclusion. Here, you'll sum up your main points and tie everything together. It's your last chance to make an impression on your reader. Remember, each part serves a specific purpose, and keeping this structure in mind can help guide your writing process. Beyond the basic structure, there are several strategies to further organize your content. Chronological order. This is a useful structure when you're discussing events in the order they happened. Spatial order. This involves describing things as they appear in space. It can be effective when you're describing a scene or object. Order of importance. This could be either from most to least important or vice versa. This is useful for arguments or persuasive essays. Problem and solution. Here, you present an issue, then discuss the solution. This is common in business and academic writing. Experiment with these techniques and see which works best for your specific writing purpose. Within your larger structure, individual paragraphs need organization. 2. A useful formula is the PEEL method. Point. Start with a clear topic sentence that states the main idea of the paragraph. Evidence. Provide supporting evidence for your point, such as statistics, quotes, or examples. Explanation. Explain how your evidence supports your point. Link. Wrap up the paragraph and link it back to your overall argument or topic. Using the PEEL method ensures that your paragraphs are not only well-structured but also contribute meaningfully to your overall argument or narrative. Organizing and structuring your content in formal writing may seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Remember, a well-structured piece is not only clearer and more compelling, but also more professional and persuasive. I hope this video will guide you in enhancing your formal writing skills. Keep practicing and happy writing!